Acumatica helps you to improve sales, customer service, and profitability by providing real-time management and valuation of your inventory. In this video, I will highlight several inventory features in the Acumatica distribution suite. The Inventory Preferences screen allows me to set defaults for managing inventory, such as numbering settings, account settings, and general ledger posting settings. Each inventory item is associated with an item class, which allows me to simplify order entry and to segment my inventory on my reports based on conditions like food items that are influencing revenue versus consumer goods that are influencing revenue. The item class also defines a set of values for calculating the cost and availability of my inventory within Acumatica. I can also set rules for assigning lot and serial numbers, valuation methods such as standard FIFO or average, and we can also support unit of measure conversions automatically through Acumatica Inventory Management. For each inventory item, I can set up default values. Then I can add my pricing information, including markups, MSRPs, and default prices. I can add multiple warehouses that I need to support. We do support multiple warehouses that you can store from, receive from, and pick from. We can maintain your vendor details and set your purchase orders to your default vendors, which can also be overwritten when necessary. We can use our Attributes tab to create user-defined values for tracking and reporting purposes, such as color and style of an item. And we can also help you define replenishment settings, such as reorder points that will notify you anytime you have dipped below that inventory number, and you'll be notified to create a new purchase order. Acumatica includes several reports that can provide a real-time view of items that you have on hand, as well as items that are expired, reserved for customer orders, or otherwise not available at this time. To demonstrate this, I will receive a purchase order that I have already created. In this case, we're receiving one box of 12 cans of Coca-Cola. While receiving the inventory, I can see existing quantities in each warehouse location, and I can assign serial numbers if required. I'll assume in this case that the items were damaged upon receipt, or at least one item was damaged upon receipt. In order to accommodate for this damaged item, I simply have to change the unit of measure from a box to eaches, account for the one item that was damaged, and then place that one damaged item in a separate location or separate warehouse if I choose to do so. You can also accommodate for the cost changes and the carrying costs that have changed throughout this purchase receipts history. When I then release this batch of items, my inventory is automatically updated and journal entries are created for me in the general ledger. Any changes made are instantly reflected in my inventory reports as well as my inventory inquiry and allocation screens. Since Acumatica is web-based, sales clerks, shipping clerks, and customer service agents will all have immediate access to this data and any changes that have been made. Acumatica includes several other inventory features which help to improve customer service and increase profitability. Flexible valuation methods, physical inventory counts, expiration dates, warehouse transfers, flexible units of measure, kits and component parts, replenishment, and more.